Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on notifications. That should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down to find advanced settings, and as you can see on the second position in the status bar section we've got show battery percentage option, which in my case is turned on because basically, as you can see, I've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. So probably in your case it looks like it, so no worries. As you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.